Of this topic, trigonometric rational identities from January 2024. It has been asked on 30th Jan shift 2. Question क्या है? For alpha beta belongs to 0 comma pi by 2. Let 3 sine within bracket alpha plus beta is equal to 2 sine within bracket alpha minus beta. And a real number k be such that tan alpha is equal to k tan beta. Then the value of k is, and these are the option. Then the value of k is, then these are the option. तो देखो, first of all, what has been given in the question that 3 sine within bracket alpha plus beta is equal to 2 sine within bracket alpha minus beta. Now we know that we will use here two identities. First one is sine alpha plus beta, which is equal to sine alpha plus beta. ऑलरेडी क्वेश्चन में गिवन है, तो मैं इसको a plus b लिख देता हूं. Sine a plus b, sine a plus b, which will be equal to sine a cos b plus cos a sine b, and sine a minus b is equal to sine a cos b minus cos a sine b. Okay, so can I say that left hand side 3 sine alpha plus beta will be what? Sine alpha on the basis of this identity, sine alpha cos beta plus cos alpha and sine beta, and it is equal to 2 within bracket sine alpha minus beta, that is sine alpha cos beta minus cos alpha and sine beta. Is it clear? ठीक है. Now it will be 3 sine alpha cos beta plus 3 cos alpha sine beta equal to 2 sine alpha cos beta and minus 2 cos alpha sine beta. Is it clear? ठीक है. Now 3 sin alpha cos beta and minus 2 sin alpha cos beta, इसको अगर आप यहां शिफ्ट करते हो तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? इट विल बी sin alpha cos beta, and on right hand side minus 2 cos alpha sin beta, and when it shifted to the right hand side it will be like minus 3 cos alpha and sin beta, right? So what we will have, sin alpha cos beta is equal to minus 2 minus 3 minus 5 cos alpha sin beta, right? अब देखो cos alpha को यहां शिफ्ट कर दो तो sin alpha by cos alpha क्या हो जाएगा? tan alpha इक्वल टू माइनस 5, एंड cos बीटा को यहां शिफ्ट कर दो तो sin बीटा बाय cos बीटा क्या हो जाएगा? tan बीटा. अब क्वेश्चन क्या था? क्वेश्चन में आते हैं. क्वेश्चन था tan अल्फा इक्वल टू k tan बीटा. एज पर क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन में क्या कहा जा रहा है? दैट tan अल्फा is equal to k tan beta, then what will be the value of k? So we can say that k is equal to minus 5. K is equal to minus 5. So the value of k will be minus 5, and this is the final answer of this question. This is the final answer of this question.
This is for today's class. I hope you like this class, and if you like this class then do like, share and subscribe my channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon. Bell icon press करने से क्या होगा? जो भी मैं lecture upload करूँगा, you will get the notification of that lecture. Thanks for watching this video. So bye, take care and have a great day.